Hello and welcome back. In this episode I'm gonna show you how to replace air filter in Dodge Durango 2013 and up. This specific one is 6-cylinder. V8s are similar, nothing special. AutoZone air filter, model number A36116, $24. Very easy to do. You have two clips on the side, on the driver's side. Just pull them back and pull your filter housing up. Filter out, which is way past due for the replacement. This is what new filter should look like, nice and white versus dark brown. Insert your new filter in. Back, make sure it latches on this side of the box, so try to lift it up by the pipe. If it doesn't come up, then you're good and latched. And push your clips back in, make sure it's secured, you're good to go. Once you have your hood open, this is a good opportunity to check for your fluid levels. Three things to watch out for: your coolant, radiator fluid, your power steering fluid, and your brake fluid. Your coolant should be between low and high point. Anywhere in between those two marks is fine. Your power steering fluid should be between min and max. Anywhere in between those two lights is fine. Your brake, same thing. Min and max, anywhere in between is good. Well, you saw how it's done. It's easy. Now you can do it yourself, save yourself some money. I appreciate your support, all of you who like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. If you're not, please consider clicking subscribe button and come back for some more. Thank you.